Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Ready? 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 Go. Go get it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh my goodness. Somebody's so full of energy today. Yeah, give me that ball. Give me that ball. Ready? Go. Go get it. Go get it. Here he comes. Here he comes. Whoa. All right. Zulu, do you need a toy to play with too? Yeah. You need a toy too, huh? How about... Now watch. When I throw this, Zinja's gonna go for it. Ready? No, he likes that ball. Oh, there he goes. Oh, hello. I knew he was gonna do it. He always does. It's called Zinja's Gotta Have Them All. Now he's got the new toy. He doesn't want the old one. All right, Zoo, come on. Come on, we'll get yours. See, there's a solution for that problem. We got two of them. He can't have both of them, can he? He's only got one mouth. Go get it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, you're looking hard at it, aren't you? Oh, nope, I'm too quick. All right, you chew on that for a little bit. We're gonna go over here to Miss Zulu, who's waiting patiently for me to grab it. And ready? Ready? Go. Uh-oh! All right, she'll go up there and get that one. She's like, I'm no dummy. Whoa! He can't have them both, can he? And they're the same. She's smart. All right. You ready? Whoa, don't fall. Go get it. So, let's get yours. Ooh. Ready? Go. Uh-oh. He's not going for it. You go for it. Go on, go get it. Come on, go get it. Come on. Oh. She's lost interest, buddy. What are we gonna do? Which one do you want? You want that one? You want it? Oh, 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 whoa. Oh, which one? Which one? You can only get one. All right, come on. Give me. Yeah. Uh-oh, don't bite Daddy. Oh, I got it. Oh, wait, come on over here. Ah! Go. All right, Zulu, you want another toy? Come on, let's go get one. Ready? What do you want? How about cow? You want cow? Look at Zinja looking hard. He's like, I want cow. Because again, Zinja wants them all. He doesn't care what the toy is. He just wants it. Whatever it is, it's his, right? Poor Zulu. She's like, what about me? All right, it's time to get out the Basenji proof toy. She looks to him. He's occupied. Ready? Oh, he's occupied for sure. All right, let's see if you're gonna want to chase this. Ready? Go. He says, yep, I'm chasing it. Zulu, look. Oh. Get it. Yeah, go get it. Go. You, give me that. Whoa. Go get it. Whoa. All right, girl. Give me the piggy. Give me the piggy. You want it? You want it? You want it? Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a swap. It's a swap. She got the cow and he's got the piggy. All right, you have fun with that for a little bit. We're going to go back over here with Zulu. Uh-oh, she's got it. Oh, it's a tug of war. I'll never win. She doesn't ever give up. You're just trying so hard. Oh. What do we got? All right, buddy. You ready to chase it? Are you ready to chase it? Whoa, ready? Yeah. You're trying. He's trying to destroy it. He can't get a grip on that little stubby leg, though. Get him! Go! Get him. What happened? Did I take your toy out? Zulu's going to get it. No, she's not. Well, oh. It's time for the toy swap again. How about this one? You want this one, Miss Zulu? Yeah, you want that one? Ready? Go. Oh, you don't want that one. Okay, well, I guess playtime's over. I guess that's all for now. Say bye. Bye-bye. Playtime's over. Thanks for joining us. Please hit the like button and support us by subscribing. Still here? Do you like coffee and other non-dog related videos? Be sure to check out our second channel, Basenji Productions. Link in the description.